Fungi. I filmed these last year, I think, or the year before. They grow in a circle around here. You can actually follow the circle round. Just put my foot next to it so you've got a scale. So they're a good size. So you do go all the way round. Let's just walk through. I'm sure somebody can identify them. They do look nice when it's a sunny day like this. Nice neat circle all the way around this clump of trees. So no doubt you really need to be able to identify what sort of trees they are as to which fungi have a symbiotic relationship with them. That's a fancy word, probably the wrong word, but you probably know what I mean. They work together. Or one benefits from the other. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.